center, for some people is way too much. Their shoulders roll forwards too much, and their posture's in a really bad position. So getting them to hold their hands on the outside of the dumbbell helps them pull the shoulders back a little bit better, and they're in much better positions doing movements behind the back, which I think is important that they do a little bit of. So with one dumbbell you can do this quite comfortably. So the arms are going to go down and up, but we're going to kick the legs in front. So kick, 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 kick. So from the foot up, I'm bouncing on my toes. That's first thing. So you're always bouncing on your toes, your heels don't come down, and you're rebounding off the bottom of the pool, and you're bending and kicking the leg. Now it feels a little bit more comfortable. So, there we go. So again, here, here, here. Now the arms are not getting a massive tricep workout. I mean, once the dumbbell comes up to the surface, it's not a lot of effort to push it back down again. But what we want to do is get a little bit of that scapular traction, a little bit of an opening out action. There is a little bit of tricep workout involved. This one's a 5 out of 10 as far as intensity is concerned. So it's something that's good for recovery, good for range of motion. Yes, for some people they might actually get their heart rate up, but I'm speaking loudly very easily. So maybe if you do it a little bit lumpy, you might get a bit more of a cardio response. But it's a great transition move. So if you're doing something with dumbbell on one side, you do this in the middle, and you can do something on the opposite side. Great little exercise, and that's this week's Aqua tip. Okay, demonstrating the straight leg kick to the front, or the flick kick to the front with the dumbbell behind your back. First of all, indicate that you want the hands on the phone. So I normally say, place the dumbbell behind your back, hands on the phone, arms up and down, and then I want you to do a flick kick to the front. So I get onto the frame for this one. I just find it's too awkward as the instructor on land to try and demonstrate this and somehow look graceful. I don't think it's even possible. So I demonstrate the dumbbell moving up and down behind the back and quickly move to the frame to demonstrate the bending flick kick. And of course, I'm holding myself up on the frame to support my body weight. So then I'll go back to the dumbbell just to reiterate the movement behind the back. So any other tips that you want to make mention here, I often talk about bouncing off the toes, so I'll demonstrate that movement. Or I sometimes say bounce off the toes, so I'll demonstrate that movement with my hand. But I think it's better with your feet in this position because you'll be holding the dumbbell anyway. So not a difficult exercise to demonstrate. And that's this week's Aqua tip.